Hello Facebook, hello everybody. Happy Thursday, happy rainy Thursday. It is, at least it's warm and rainy rather than cold and rainy. It is Thursday, September 23rd, is that the date? September 23rd. It is September 23rd, Thursday. Let's see, I am live. Oh, there I am. Everybody is joining now. Hello, Ralph. Thanks everybody for joining. Sorry I'm a little bit late this morning or this afternoon. I'm saying this morning, that's what I feel like today has been from the morning till now has been non-stop. So thanks everybody for watching. Hello, Ralph. Hello, Catherine. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I see lots of people joining, so hello. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for all of your support. A lot of the same people that are on day after day, and I know lots of people watch me later on, so thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. I'm gonna make this kind of quick. I'm actually in the kitchen again tonight with Marcus. So it's the two of us in the kitchen, and I got to get in there, and I've been prepping this afternoon, so I'm going to continue to prep and get things ready for this evening. Obviously, we're only doing inside dining this evening. We will not be doing outside in our garden. It is rainy, it is cold. If you would like to sit outside, you're more than welcome to call and order, and we will deliver the food out to you, but we are not doing full service outside today. We are doing inside dining only this evening, but you are more than welcome to order to go. You're more than welcome to sit outside in the garden. We just will not be doing full service out there. So give us a call, let us know what you'd like, and we will deliver it out to you, but we are not doing full service. So hello, Matthew. Thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the support. This week, starting tomorrow, is Bees Knees Week. Drink the best and save the bees. Let's see. So Bar Hill Gin, Caledonia Spirits. This is their raw honey, so we'll be using that in our Bees Knees drink from Bar Hill Gin. And I actually brought one of these over. I have two of these to give away, so if you come in, you tell me you saw this video, you want a hat, they are yours. They're awesome hats. Look at the bee on it. Pretty cool. So Bees Knees Week, this is how it works. You drink a bee's knee, it's on our menu. You order your favorite drink or make one at home, share it on social media, tag Aroma Time, so hashtag Aroma, you have to look at our hashtag. I think it's aroma.time.bistro.farm.to.table or something like that. I'm sorry, I don't remember the hashtag, but if you tag Aroma Time, we're gonna plant a tree, and if you tag Bar Hill Gin or hashtag Bees Knees Week, Bar Hill is going to plant 10 square feet of bee habitat for every photo that's shared. So we have these here. We have some table tents that we have as well. This starts tomorrow. We have coasters, so we'll be using all of that starting tomorrow. But if you get a Bees Knees drink here at Aroma Time, we will plant a tree. And if you tag Bar Hill Gin, they're gonna plant 10 square feet of bee habitat. So get on that, support that. We do have a few Oktoberfest specials this evening. As most of you know, Marcus and I have been working tirelessly day after day, every day, and it has been exhausting. Even having 2 days off, we have been nonstop, go, since last weekend. It was a busy weekend, we were exhausted, but we have a few specials for you for Oktoberfest. We have Great Life Marzen. It's a barrel-aged Marzen on draft, so I have to actually label that. And we are open for Thanksgiving. I don't know if I've mentioned Thanksgiving. We're only going to be doing takeout 11 to 2. The menu's online on our website. You can see the menu, call ahead, place your order. We take credit cards to hold that. Tell us how many people you would like dinner for. We'll be pushing that in the next couple of weeks. And on to my blood orange old fashioned. So I have actually juiced some fresh blood orange juice, and I'm going to take some cherries, some of the filthy cherries right here. I'm gonna mix a little bit of blood orange juice in there, a little agave, and I am going to muddle that all together. So I'll muddle the cherries, I am out of blood oranges, or else I would use blood oranges in here. I juiced them all. I'm sorry I did that. So I'm just using some blood orange juice. So there you have it. I'll add a little bit more blood orange juice to that. I'm gonna add some of the Mad River Maple Cask Rum. So about 1.5 ounces of that. And I'm going to add about 1 ounce of Amara, which is a blood orange liqueur. So like Amaro, blood orange liqueur, about 1 ounce of that. I'm going to mix that up. Mix it on up, and I'm gonna put it on the rocks. And there we go. All right, so, and if I had an orange, I would put an orange on top. Let's go ahead and mix that up in there, and let's go ahead and taste it. So blood orange Manhattan, it looks delicious. Yum, yum. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, that is yummy. Yum, yum. Mm. It might be a little too sweet, but it's really good. Maybe a little bit more rum, but it's actually really, really good. So thank you for watching me. Hello, Sabrina. Hello, Ralph.
Oh, wow, yes, definitely.
Even Patrick disagreed. It's delicious. So if you're watching me live, you can put #live. Give me a thumbs up so I know that you're here. Give me a drink recipe. Tell me something you want to see me make. I would love to make some new things, get some stuff out there. I don't think I've really repeated any drinks except for like a margarita, and I've made it a different way. But I don't think I've repeated any drinks since March when I've been doing this. So I don't know if they're still being put on. I've never even had before, and I'm just bringing it to you. Hello, Jean. Hello, Sabrina. Ralph is on. If you were watching me live, just so that I know that you're here. Hello, hello. Hi, Jean. How are you? Nice to see you on. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And I know lots of people are here, and I know lots of people watch my videos every day. I appreciate that. I'm so happy. The bar is open tonight. The restaurant is open. We are doing inside dining. You can get takeout. Our $9.99 special this week is barbecue chicken with coleslaw and potato salad to go, $9.99, and that is available all weekend. We are open tomorrow at 5. And if you know about Market on Market, it has been canceled for tomorrow due to rain, and it will be the following week. So October 1st will be Market on Market. So many great things happening here in Ellenville. Thank you, thank you for coming in and supporting Ellenville and coming to the restaurants and all that stuff. So anyway, cheers to you. Have an awesome night, and I will catch you tomorrow live on Facebook around 4 o'clock. Thanks, everybody.